Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to record your iPhone screen. If you are using any iPhone and you want to record your iPhone screen, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply scroll down your control center. Very first, I recommend you have to open your settings app and you have to try to make a software update. So go for general, go for software update here. You just have to try to make a software update if you find any pending updates here. And after that, you can use a built-in feature of your iPhone to record screen. You don't need to install any third-party apps. You just have to scroll down in control center and you'll get the screen recording feature here. If you can't find it here, just tap on the plus option in the top right, in the top left section, and here you just have to. So let's say I haven't any screen recording feature here. I'm going to hide it or delete it from here. So now you just have to tap on this add a control option, and then you'll get the screen recording feature. If you can't find it, you just have to go for search and search for 16 and you will get 16 recording feature. Just tap on that and it will be added to your control center. You can rearrange it if you want. Just keep a long press on it and then scroll it or move it if you want to, or you can also enlarge this. So once you have done, just tap on any empty place and it will be located here. Now just keep a long press on it. Whenever you want to enable or record your screen, just open the screen which you want to record. So let's see, I'm going to record any game from here. So just open the screen which you want to record. Then scroll down in control center. Just tap on it and it will start recording. So here you can see that my screen is now recording. You can tap on this, but choose that, or you can also keep a long press on it to enable or disable your microphone. You can see microphone is not disabled. Let's just tap on it and it will be enabled. So whenever you have done, just tap and stop recording. It will stop your screen recording. Just go back. You can see it has been saved in Photos app. So I'm going to open my Photos app. Just go back. Open your Photos app here and you will get your recording screen in your library section. So in this way, you can easily record your iPhone screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.